When you ride a touring bike like the Kawasaki Versys 1100, comfort, safety, and visibility are everything. But a few smart upgrades can make it unstoppable. In this video, I'll walk you through 9 essential mods I've done to a Versys 1100, from Apple CarPlay to a blind spot detection system. Let's get started. First up, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Versys doesn't come with its stock. The worst part, the standard model just comes with a very old type of LCD display unit. Disappointing from Kawasaki. Sometimes I wonder, why can't Kawasaki give a TFT display for this bike? Even entry bikes come with TFT displays as a base feature. To cover this mess in the Versys 1100, we wanted a good display unit which assists the rider and, more importantly, gives a good look to the bike's dashboard. Before we look into details of the Apple CarPlay Android Auto unit, let's look at the second mod, which is an important one. The GPS mount from SW-Motech. This mount is a universal one to which we can mount most of the GPS devices or the CarPlay units. The best part is that it comes with the amps hole specifications, which is what most of the manufacturers use in their products like Garmin, etc. The Jansite CarPlay unit does not come with the AMPS hole specifications, hence I had to do some adjustments. Basically, I modified the Jansite unit's mounting point to suit the AMPS hole specifications. In case you want to know how I did it, just ask me in the comment section. I highly recommend this mount from SW-Motech as it is fixed to the bike's windshield frame perfectly. It is very strong and suits the bike's design. This mount places the display unit right above the dash, keeping it perfectly in the line of sight. No looking down, no distractions, just easy, safe navigation. Now, coming back to the Jansite CarPlay Android Auto unit, we used an amazing product from AliExpress. That way, we can run Google Maps, Spotify, or even answer calls, all while keeping the phone safe inside the pocket. It is a 6.86-inch display unit and has additional features like dual dashcam and tire pressure monitoring with it. The brand name is Jansite. I did a lot of research on this product and found it is a famous brand for these types of products, cheap and best. By the way, I prefer to find these types of products based on its features and user reviews rather than going for some hyped, expensive product. The dual dash cams, it records every ride automatically when the unit is powered up, which is great for safety, insurance, and catching those epic scenic routes. It also comes with tire pressure monitoring, in which you can set thresholds for alerts. Long distance touring means we need to know the tire health instantly. The wireless valve cap sensors feed live pressure data straight to the handlebar display. And the handlebar remote control has a GPS receiver so that the speed can be seen in the home screen even without CarPlay or Android Auto connected. I'm creating a separate video on the Jansite CarPlay unit soon, in which we will review more details about it and also on how to install it. By the way, please subscribe to this channel as it does motivate me to create more similar videos for you. Up next, a GPS tracker. This is hidden under the seat, battery powered, and sends alerts to your mobile phone if the bike is moved. Perfect for peace of mind on the road or when parked overnight. There are many companies providing similar units. Do the research in your area for the best service provider and go for it. The next one is an interesting one. The Kawasaki Versys 1100 comes with an ugly looking USB-C connector fixed on the left side mirror mount. It works perfectly, but the size and the cable connector behind it make it a bulky unit and not matching to the style of the bike, so we decided to get rid of it. Additionally, we replaced the 12-volt socket on the dashboard with a weatherproof USB-C hub. We used the same power cables coming to the 12-volt socket to connect the new USB-C hub. This new hub got 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port and a switch to turn it on and off. It's fast charging and a compact one. Removing the 12-volt socket is very easy. There is a round plastic lock behind the dashboard which can be removed so that the 12-volt socket can be pulled out on the top, carefully removing the 2 connectors on it, and you can use the same connectors for the new USB-C hub. Number 7 is what I like and love working on, the heart of the electrical setup. When you have so many accessories on the bike, managing the power connections and wiring them will be a nightmare, and that is where the power distribution manager comes in handy. In this bike, we use the Denali Power Hub 2 to keep all accessories fused, organized, and easy to manage. As you can see, we installed it under the seat, and all the power cables are nicely organized and channeled through the cable channels. We made sure the power hub is seated high to avoid any water passing through it. I just added double-sided tape in thickness to get that height. All these wiring channels are also fixed a bit away from the plastic base so that any water that comes in here is smoothly flowing down and out without any obstruction. The main power wires from the power hub are channeled to the battery separately, and each of the accessories in the bike is connected to a dedicated connector in the hub, fused according to its requirement. I always suggest using one of these types of accessory manager in case you got many electrical accessories on your bike. It'll give you peace of mind. Alright. 8th, auxiliary lights. Touring often means early starts and late arrivals, so extra lighting is non-negotiable. These LEDs cut through darkness, fog, and rain, massively improving visibility and safety. The lights we used here are the Maddog Lycan. It's one of the best auxiliary lights available in the country. It has a low beam and a high beam, both controlled individually through a switch hub on the handlebar. It comes with yellow covers to be used in fog and a black cover to keep it blocked to align with the regulatory rules in the cities. Again, we have used the SW-Motech light mounts to fix these lights. These are designed specifically for this bike. These mounts are sleek and super strong. Unlike those bulky mounts fixed on the crash bars, these mounts are fixed on the lower sides and not standing out seeking attention. It's a good location to fix auxiliary lights as you can get a good angle for the beam. And finally, the blind spot detection system. We've gone with an already tested and proven model from AliExpress. It watches the back, literally, alerting us to vehicles we can't see, perfect for highway overtakes and lane changes. I have a dedicated video on how blind spot detection system is installed and used, including real-life tests. Please watch that video if you want to know more details. Alright, that's the 9-mod setup for the Kawasaki Versys 1100, tuned for comfort, safety, and serious touring capability. Which of these would make your bike better? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more ride-ready upgrades. By the way, this awesome bike belongs to my awesome friend Unni Krishnan, a big auto enthusiast. A big thanks to Unni for trusting me to mod his beloved motorcycle. Thank you for watching another video from Mods and Rides. See you on the next adventure.